Good morning, Wellness Lifestyle community. As we get ready for this Friday's live cooking class, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, making chow mein, I would like to share with you 3 easy shortcuts as you go to the grocery store and get ready for this class. First of all, you can choose whatever protein you would like, whether it's animal-based or plant-based. If you're choosing tofu, make sure it's the firm type. And one easy shortcut is right here, water drained and pressed. If you pick regular firm tofu, most of the time it will have water in these packages. As you can see, this is pretty airtight. So I don't have to press the tofu ahead of time to get all that water out. That takes at least an hour to get that out if you buy regular tofu that's not already water drained and pressed. So make sure you look for that little label and make sure it's organic. Moving on to tip number 2, shortcut number 2. This is one of my favorite shortcuts. As you know, the recipe calls for cabbage and shredded carrots, but why not add a little bit of extra red cabbage, broccoli, slaw, and carrots that's already been chopped? If you have this at the grocery store, that's organic vegetable slaw that has already shredded cabbage and carrots. This is a really easy, cost-effective way to pick up these ingredients. If you're not going to use it over and over for something else, just go ahead and pick up this already chopped up vegetable slaw. And finally, what is in this mystery bag? When I have onions, oh man, if you could smell those onions come out of this bag, sure will wake you up in the morning. When you have onions that are just about to go bad, but they're still good to eat, you're just not ready to consume it yet, go ahead and slice it up, put it in the freezer, and now you have pre-chopped, pre-sliced onions ready to go. So these onions were in my freezer for, I don't know, maybe the last few weeks, and all I have to do for this cooking class is take it out. They're already pre-sliced and ready to cook. I'm excited to see you live on my cooking class this Friday. I can't wait to have dinner with you all. See ya.